Hello guys, I welcome you all on Unacademy JEE English, a channel launched by Unacademy where each and every topic for JEE will be covered in pure English. Today I am Rahul Kaushik and you guys see me daily teaching chemistry. Even today I will teach chemistry, but it's Friday and fun-filled Friday. So I'm going to do something different today guys, and will teach you chemistry with some experiments. I did that experiment yesterday with my daughter and she was curious. She was asking many questions, like you can see this hot air balloon. And during Diwali also we use such balloons. We burn those balloons and then they fly. So today I am going to tell, hi Pavan. So today I am going to tell why those balloons go upward and why do we need to fire them. Why? But before we start today's session, let me tell you something about myself. I'm Rahul Kaushik. I worked in Bansa classes quota since 2010 to 2020. So continuous 10 years I worked there. Continuous 10 years. And during my tenure there, I mentored 2000 plus IITs. Yes, 2000 plus IITs, including many top rankers. Hi Beauty of Physics. Hi Jafirullah Khansari. Everybody. Yes, this time Beauty of Physics is on time. But my regular class will take place only at 2:30. This is a special session for Friday, and you guys are going to enjoy it along with some knowledge. Definitely after this session, definitely you are going to gain some knowledge about why balloons fly and why do you need to fire them, right? So this is all about me. After Bansa classes, I co-founded my own organization that is Jigyan Education Private Limited. Hi Aksha. Hi Aksha. So Beauty of Physics, you are going to enjoy it because this is something that also involves physics, right? And I know, as your name suggests, you are a big fan of Beauty of Physics. Hi Harsha. Hi Harsha. Yes, I often see you guys even on app also, on Academy's app. Yes, Harsha, I know Harshvardhan. Yes, you dedicated, I think, a cap. So I remember you. So let's move ahead. Guys, we are on Telegram and this is our channel. You can subscribe us on there also, and you can click on this link in the given video I'm teaching. And now how you can subscribe, guys? Just go to Play Store or App Store, download an Academy Learning app. Once you download it, install it, and after installing you will be directed to this page where you have to click on the plus. Once you click on the plus, these options will populate and you have to check IIT JEE there because we are preparing for that. Once you check it, then you hit the get subscription button, and once you hit that button you are going to get these options. So guys, mainly you have to focus on these courses. If you are preparing for 2021 and you are preparing for 2022, then this is the best for you, and you just have to pay 1500 rupees. And you, if apply my code Rahul Cam, guys, if you apply my code Rahul Cam, then you are going to get flat 10% discount, right? Whether you are going for 2021 or 2022. So guys, just by paying 1500 rupees per month, you are going to get access not just my video lectures, hi Amy, but the video lectures and content of all the educators who are teaching on IIT JEE, right? Whether it is whether it is for physics, chemistry, math, everything you are going to get, right? So guys, now I'm moving ahead with the chemistry of hot air balloon, and it's a special Friday, so I'm going to take it, guys. So yesterday, actually, I was yesterday here in Faridabad. There was atmosphere was pleasant, and I was enjoying with my kid. And she was again and again asking, "Papa, why this balloon fly? Why this balloon fly when during Diwali when we use fire inside that balloon? Why that kite flies?" And why this hot air balloon fly? So we did a small experiment, guys. Yes, stones sink but not balloon. Why? In the water, if you take a balloon, then it is not going to sink. However, if you take stone, then it will definitely sink, right? So now the point arises, why does it happen? What is the reason behind it? So yesterday I did a small experiment, guys. Yesterday I did a small experiment with my daughter. And what was this that experiment? Yes, everything, Pawan, everything will be told to you in the video itself, guys. Yes. Hello guys, it's pleasant weather now. You might have seen me teaching chemistry every day. And today actually I'm playing with my daughter and she has some curious questions and now I want to answer all those questions. But I thought why not about Ridvi? Yes, her name is Ridvi and she's asking some questions which are really relevant for you guys as well. So what I am trying to do is I will explain something to Ridvi and then it would also help in your IIT JEE preparation or anything. So the first experiment is I'm giving this stone to Ridvi and Ridvi, yes, do it.
Papa, why it is not sinking?
Why it is sinking? Okay, it's sinking, beta. Actually, what she is doing, she just dropped the stone and this stone is sinking, right? And now instead of this stone, I'm going to give her this balloon. And if we just try this balloon, yes, no, yes, is it sinking?
No.
It's not sinking. Yes, I'll try. Oh no. Yes, what I'm doing is, yes, I'm trying and oh, it's coming outside.
Flash.
Why Ridvi? Why it's coming outside? Yes, why it is so?
I don't know.
You don't know. I will explain why it is coming outside. But Ridvi, have you ever seen the hot air balloon we use in Diwali? Hot air balloons? Have you seen it? What happens? That balloon flies. And you don't know why does it fly. But guys, she is just 7-year-old. Today she's 7-year-old. And she does not know anything about ideal gas equation. But guys, believe me, you guys know everything about ideal gas equation. So now I will explain why this balloon is not sinking and what is the relationship of this balloon with the hot air balloon. You might have seen those hot air balloons in movies, in Hindi movies, especially when we have hero and heroine, and hero and heroine both are on their hot air balloon and villain is trying something. He wants them to jump away from that. So today I will explain each and everything. Okay guys, so this is the experiment and now I will come to theory part. Thank you. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed that video, right? So that was a simple experiment. In that experiment, once I used the stone and that stone sank. And after a stone, if I took a balloon, then that balloon did not sink. Why? So guys, Ridvi does not know anything about ideal gas equation, but you guys know about it. So now I will discuss it with you guys. Yes, surely I will discuss it with you guys. So there is one more question and that question is, why do we fire inside the balloon? To fly the balloon, why do we fire? Like you can see the fire here, right? This is fire. So why this fire is needed at all? Okay, Nati, why? So today I will give you the answer of all these questions. And next point is, why stone sink in the water? If you put a stone inside the water, it sinks, right? So actually it has something that is related to your IIT preparation as well. Archimedes principle, you might have heard it in physics. Yes, beauty of physics. That was Archimedes principle. I think you know that. So today I will discuss in detail, like when you are putting the balloon inside the water. Yes guys, here you can see it is my hand and I have that balloon is inside the water, and yes, I have applied some force to stop that, because if I don't apply the force, this balloon will jump away, right? So what is going on? Actually in this diagram, guys, you can see this is the volume of balloon and this volume has displaced instead of balloon, initially here was water, so this balloon has displaced the volume of water. Now I can say volume of balloon is equal to volume of water displaced. Both have same volumes. When this balloon is here inside the water, actually it is experiencing two types of force. One is due to gravity and one is called buoyancy force. That buoyancy force, yes, Archimedes. Yes, Archimedes find that buoyancy force. Actually, when something even we are also experiencing buoyancy due to what? Due to air. So now I have just told you that that volume of this balloon is equal to volume of water. Volume of this balloon is equal to volume of water displaced, because if this balloon is inside the water, it has displaced the volume of water from this point, right? So once it has displaced, when any balloon is submerged in any gas, two forces will be acting on the balloon. One is upward force, buoyancy force, and another is gravitational force. So gravitational force will be due to mass of gas into G. And what is buoyancy force? Yes, I have to tell it. And if buoyancy force is greater than gravitational force, then it will come out of the water. But if gravitational force is greater than buoyancy force, then it will sink. So why balloon is coming out and why stone is sinking? Now I am going to give you the answer. Now suppose you have this payload. What is this payload? You might have seen it, as I told you, even in the movies, or many of you have seen it in real life as well. So here we can have 4%, we can have 8%, but we define like maximum 600 kg mass can be used here. If you are using 600 kg mass, then this will not fly. So that mass, that 600 kg, is called payload. First you have to understand what is payload. So the payload of a balloon is defined as maximum mass which a given balloon can lift under the given conditions. So how will you determine the payload? How will you determine the amount or mass of payload, guys? So basically I just told you, when you put a balloon in water, it will experience buoyancy force in upward direction and gravitational force in downward direction. So the payload, if you want to fly the balloon in upward direction, then mass of payload, or you can say net force, will be equal to buoyancy force, the force upward, and gravitational force, and their difference is going to give you the mass of payload. So what is this buoyancy force, guys? Let me tell you. Mass of water displaced into G. And what is gravitational force? Mass of gas into G. If I am assuming that mass of balloon material is negligible, only then we can take it. So now guys, I know density of water is equal to mass of water upon volume. So mass of water I am going to get, it will be density of water into V. Similarly, density of gas is equal to mass of gas upon volume. So mass of gas will be equal to density of gas into volume. And guys, I just told you that volume of balloon is equal to volume of water. Both volumes are same, right? And if both volumes are same, so guys, let me tell you, now if both volumes are same, then you will write mass of payload into G is equal to, just write here, density of water minus density of gas into V into G. So this is the mass of payload. So mass of payload is basically that mass that can be flight, right? Payload of a balloon is defined as maximum mass which a balloon can lift under the given condition. So guys, if you want to fly balloon in upward direction, so buoyancy force should be greater than this, and buoyancy force would be greater than this only when density of water is greater than density of gas. So why your stone sank? Because density of stone was greater than density of water, and in that case it would come out to be negative. So now you know the answer why why your stone sank and your balloon did not sink, right? Any doubt, guys? Now there is a question, why this hot air balloon flies? Now let me tell you. You can consider that this hot air balloon is basically in air. Instead of water it is surrounded by air. So here we have air, and inside it, here we have gas. And again, if you want this balloon to fly upward, so density of gas should be less than air. Instead of water, now I am taking air here. And if you want to fly, then density of gas inside the balloon should be less, only then it will fly, otherwise it will not fly, right? I just told you if density of water is greater than density of gas, only then it will fly, otherwise it is not going to fly. So density of water means the surrounding liquid. In this case, the surrounding liquid, instead of surrounding liquid we have surrounding air. So density of gas inside this should be greater than density of air. So the question arises, sir, why do we need this fire? So now I told you PM is equal to dRT. So density will be equal to PM over RT. Density is equal to PM over RT. So if it is PM over RT, so guys, now you can do it. If you are firing it, you are increasing the temperature, and density is inversely proportional to temperature. If temperature increase, then density of gas will decrease, and lower the density, more payload it can take. And this is how this is how a balloon flies. And now you know the reason when a balloon flies. Why do you guys burn it? Why you guys need fire, right? So guys, this is all about today's session. Yes, and this was about how hot air balloon works, and it has also relationship with physics as well. So if you really like today's lecture, then don't forget to share and like it. Click on the bell icon to get notification of my lectures, and every Friday I will keep on coming like such interesting things, guys. This is all for today, and you can join us on Telegram. We have a channel there. It's JEE_English, and after 15 minutes I will start. After 15 minutes I will start connected container problems. Dalton's law we have already covered, guys. So again, how you can subscribe? Once you have downloaded the Unacademy learning app, click on the plus. On clicking plus, you have to select IIT JEE and then hit the get subscription button, right? So once you do it, then you are going to get these options, and if you apply my code Rahul Chem, then you are going to get flat 10%. Once you are part of Unacademy subscription plan, guys, there would be live quizzes, there would be every fourth class would be a doubt clearing session, and there would be regular test, and you will have access to content and video lectures of all teacher, guys, right? So this is all for today, and it was Friday session. It was amazing, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Take care of you guys. Bye bye.